First, go to Chrome and search youtube.mp3, and then go to this, and you have to get the link of the song. For example, first day, no copyright, and press share and go to copy link, then go back and press this, put the link in this, and then press convert, low, and then press download. It's downloading, and yep, we already get the song, so this is the proof. So this is the song that I download. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.